Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to another episode of Smoothie Galore. Today we're making ourselves a sweet, tasty, and creamy tropical green smoothie. So full of vitamins, minerals, and these right here are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need a half cucumber sliced. Next, you're gonna need a cup of frozen grapes. After that, 1 cup frozen pineapple, 1 frozen banana ripened. You're also gonna need 1.25 cups to 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk, and my favorite, protein powder, VeganSmart. So first, let's start off by pouring in 1.25 cups to 1.5 cups of that almond milk. You can use any plant-based milk you like. Next thing in is that frozen banana for some added potassium, which is great for your heart. After that, we're gonna toss in those frozen grapes, which is another great fruit for your heart. Next, we're gonna toss in that pineapple for some added vitamin C to boost that immune system. All right, let's toss in those cucumbers for some added hydration. Next, we're gonna toss in that spinach for some B vitamins for an extra energy boost and also some calcium. All right, and then last, we're gonna throw in a scoop of my VeganSmart protein powder for added protein and also vitamins and minerals. All right, let's put that top on. Let's go ahead and blend everything together. And that right there is your sweet, tasty, and creamy tropical green smoothie. Thank you again for joining me here on Smoothie Galore. Make sure you leave your comments at the bottom and share this with a friend, family member, or co-worker. Let's get it.